Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I'm going to do a presentation about vehicle safety system. This is an assignment 2 for the subject BMMA 4613, Vehicle Safety and Comfort System. My name is Amirul Kamal based Suhaili Kamal. The content of the presentation will be the introductions, vehicle general specifications, active and passive systems, some pictures with descriptions, future challenges, and some conclusions. Right, introductions. Vehicle safety system is a system that ensures that occupants are protected as far as possible from injury, and that the severity or consequences of injuries are minimized, especially in case of accidents. Right. Some of the factors that affect the safety is the vehicle condition, the wear and tear components, and the other one is weather, road surface, and traffic conditions, which is side winds, the type of roads, and also the density of the traffics. The other one is driver capabilities conditions, the driver's driving skills, his or her physical and mental conditions during the driving. Right. Now we will talk about the safety system group. There are two groups, which is the active safety system and passive safety system. For the active system, it includes a set of features that reduces the chance of accidents or collision in the first place. Active safety system respond to an abnormal event such as the system can be activated manually by the driver or automatically by a computer-driven system, which is an ECU, or sometimes they are part of the mechanical design itself. Some of the example is the rearview mirror, lighting system, braking system, including ABS and ESP. For the passive system, the safety feature comes into play during an accident. Passive safety system react to abnormal events, means that these systems activate during or after the accident takes place. Some of the example is the vehicle crumple zone, the safety belts, and the airbag system. Then I'm going to talk about the vehicle general specification that I've chosen. The vehicle that I've chosen is a Yamaha NVX 155. It is a 155cc LCV4 blue core engine with VVA, variable valve actuation. It has a 40-inch alloy wheel, tubeless tires, 110 by 80 on the front and 140 by 70 at the rear. It also has a LED lighting systems. This motorbike has an ABS braking system at the front and also has a 5.8-inch LCD display. What makes it very different is the keyless system with smart key and a start-stop system. The front fork is also big, which is 26mm. And the other one is the fuel tank with a cap lid. Right. Now I'm going to talk about the active and passive system on the NVX 155cc. The active system includes LED lighting systems, braking system with ABS, tubeless tires, side mirrors, a wide seat, a brake suspension system, side reflector, LCD digital display, and an engine speed limiter. For the passive side, there is a tip-over sensor, engine immobilizer with smart key, and a fuel tank with cap lid. Right. These are some of the pictures, which is at the front left. The first one is an LED lighting system. It's a modern lighting system to light up the road ahead and signals other driver for the user. Next, the disc brake system with ABS. The braking system is with the disc brake system is great stopping power. Also with ABS, It will not let the tire slip. It also has a great suspension system. It uses a wide tires, front and rear. Next, we'll talk about the side mirrors. Side mirrors allow the driver to be aware of the surrounding without much turning his head, so they can focus on the road ahead. Next, wide and comfortable seat. The bike has a wide and comfortable seat to absorb the impact from the roads, so you can drive comfortably. Next is the keyless entry system with a smart key and start-stop function. The smart key allows you to start the vehicle without much hassle. You can just bring the key inside your pocket and start the bike with a push button. It also acts as an immobilizer, means that if the key is far away from the bike, you cannot start the vehicle. You cannot start the bike, right? And also it has the start-stop function, which will save fuel when you're at traffic light. Then there is a kill switch, which stops the engine with a flick of switch. So for example, if you want to turn off the vehicle immediately, just press the switch and the engine will stop. Next, there is the side reflectors, which reflects light when it shines on the reflector. It will notify other user of your presence when the light shines at the side of the bike. There is also the tip-over sensor, which shuts down the engine and stops the fuel injector and spark plug from functioning when the bike fell over in case of an accident. There's also a fuel tank with cap lid, which protects the fuel from spilling over and also secure from people stealing your fuel. And there is also a 5.8-inch LCD digital display, which gives out information to the driver about the motorcycle speeds, the RPM, the indicator, lighting systems, fuel, and the engine light warning. It also has an engine speed cap, which limits the engine speed as it to protect the engine from unnecessary stress on the engine components. Now about the future challenges. The future challenges on the NVX is the side mirror could use a wider field of vision to eliminate more blind spots. As the current side mirror is, you can just see it in one way. It does not have a wide field of vision, means there will still be blind spots, which is behind you or at the side. Then the lighting system would be better with adaptive lighting system, means it would be better if it can have an automatic high beam when it's so dark, and also turn off the high beam when there's a vehicle in front of you, which will produce glare. Then the disc brake system with ABS is only at the front tire. If the driver accidentally squeezes the brake hard for the rear tire, it will cause slippage. And also the wide tires are much more expensive. This motorcycle doesn't have OBD2, making it hard to detect any malfunction components when the motor faces a problem. It also has a start-stop function that might eat away your battery with the battery life. So you might have to change the battery sooner. Lastly, there's no airbag system to protect the driver in case of an accident. The only protection you can get is your clothing and your helmets. So for conclusion, safety systems helps avoid most serious injury in the case of accidents. The safety system on this bike is enough to help the driver drive safely. Always obey the law as it is to protect us. Even the best active system cannot protect against the incapacity or inexperience of the vehicle driver, or an overestimation of his own capabilities. Physical limits and laws cannot be overcome, even by modern electronics. When physical limits are exceeded, the only hope is doa. Pray for your own safety. Right, that's all for today. Thank you very much. See you again soon.